Muli na namang hinarang at sinalubong ng Radio Challenge ng China ang paghahatid ng ayuda ng BIFAR sa mga mangingisda sa Bajo de Masinloc. Pero pinabulaanan ng Philippine Coast Guard ang pahayag ng China na napaalis nito ang barko ng BIFAR sa naturang bahura.
Palapit pa lang sa Bajo de Masinloc ang sinasakyan naming eroplano ng Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources o BIFAR. May radio challenge ng tinanggap ang aming mga piloto mula sa Chinese Navy.
Philippine aircraft, this is Chinese Navy warship calling. You are approaching China's Hongye Island.
This radio message is being recorded. This is the Cessna 208 Bravo RP-1077, the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources aircraft of the Philippine government, conducting a lawful maritime patrol within the exclusive economic zone of the Republic of the Philippines.
Paalala pa ng piloto ng BIFAR sa kanila, reviewin ang mapa dahil sila ang lagpas sa itinakdang Exclusive Economic Zone o EEZ ng bansa.
Based on the 1982 UN Convention on the Law of the Sea, we are free to fly and operate as the international law allows. China as a signing member of the UNCLOS on 10 December 1982, you are requested to abide the said convention. You are way beyond the 200 nautical mile EEZ of your country. Please review your chart.
Pero sa loob at labas ng Bajo de Masinloc, matindi ang presensya ng mga Chino.